Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about on how you can change the theme of your Snapchat on Snapchat. So if you want to change the theme of your Snapchat, you will have to spend money on the app. Now as you can see over here, if I click on Snapchat Plus, it gives me a 1 week free trial. Obviously it's going to ask for a credit card, which I'm not going to put in. But over here, as you can see, Snapchat wallpapers, that's basically the theme. You can app icons, all that stuff. So if you want to do anything moderately fun with Snapchat, like, change the theme or something like that, you will have to pay for the premium. Without the premium, you cannot access these features. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.